Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Noma and welcome to our reaction to Paramore, and the song that we are going to react to is Still Into You. It is our first time single take honest reaction to Still Into You. Let's get started with the music right away and see what we are going to listen to.
Beautiful.
I should be over all the butterflies, but I'm into you. And baby, even on our worst nights, I'm into you. Let 'em wonder how we got this far, 'cause I don't really need to wonder at all. After all this time, I'm still into you.
Absolutely love this song. So beautiful. What are your thoughts?
This is seriously good. This is seriously good. I love the music. I love her voice. She's got a confident, clear, bold voice. And wow, the way she sings it. This has nothing to do with luck. It's just phenomenal. I love the music. The way they go about playing the music. It was heavy. They knew exactly what they wanted to do with the music. A couple of times it was mind blowing.
And it certainly reminded me a lot of Avril Lavigne's song.
It does.
Avril Lavigne. Nice. I don't know if they are an influence on Avril Lavigne or Avril Lavigne is an influence on them.
Paramore.
But I think Paramore must be an influence on Avril Lavigne. But certainly there's an influence. There is an influence. It sounds so similar to Avril Lavigne. I enjoyed it a lot.
I like the way she sings. I mean, the way she sang this one, it was light at the same time she's serious about it. It's the way of singing, I can't explain it. She is completely into this guy, but the way she's singing is great. And the story goes is very simple. She, no matter what, even on their worst nights, in their worst times, still she likes him so much. There is no doubt in her mind about their relationship, about this guy she's going around with. She's met his mother the first time when she met his mother, and that incident was also shared here. So it was very personal, but I like the way it was sung by her. It's not a manipulative tone of singing where people start sobbing and crying. It was very confident, very bold way of, admitting her love for him.
I believe in this kind of philosophy where you definitely say it loud and clear exactly what's in your heart and what's in your mind.
Yeah.
Especially when it comes to a personal relationship between two people, two lovers, to a couple basically. It's very important that we say how we feel about the other person. And she's saying that many times have gone by, moments have gone by. But till now, I still feel the same way about you as I did the first night. So the first date night, exactly as she had those butterflies and all that, till today, many moments, many months, many years may have passed, I don't know. I don't think the exact time was mentioned, time period. But she still feels the same. I'm still so much into you. And we all know by the best-selling book and the movie, he's just not that into you. How true that statement is, how true that line is. I know it far too well as a counselor. In fact, even before that book came out, or even before that movie came out a few years later, I realized how important it is to show that you actually love someone. If you're not totally committed to your partner and your relationship, you definitely aren't the type of person who can make that kind of commitment. I know that for sure. So definitely, I've always seen it, couples who end up breaking up, and I've seen many of them. I've seen many of them personally with my friend circle, families, as well as heard plenty in the news, as well as in my counseling career of 22 years or so now. I've seen it so many times that couples do break up. And one of the main reasons of them breaking up is that they're just not that much into the other person. Maybe to begin with, or maybe they were at the beginning, but it just didn't happen later. They grew more and more apart as time went on. And that was the result of the relationship dying. So I like music like that. What else you have to say?
On another note, if we take some of the lines of the song, take the phrases of it, they could be very well be used as names of the shows, American TV shows. Like The First Time I Met Your Mother, we have had How I Met Your Mother. It instantly reminded me of that show. Then I'm Into You, just like he's just not that into you. This is I'm Into You. It could be a nice show all by itself. I'm into you. Even today, I'm into you. And there were other lines as such. They can be used as names of the TV shows or movies. I like the way it's written, very simply, but it is a very relatable. And that kind of simplicity is very hard to find. Even by the best of the bands, you don't get the lyrics that are that easily adaptable or connectable to people. Yeah. So there's something about this song and the lyrics, the way it is done. It's very simple and it's very basic to begin with.
Do you want to interchange the list? We've heard a song called Just Got Lucky. What is your opinion of that song if you want to compare it to this? Do you still like that song as much as this?
We must put that
I have to put it second.
Yeah.
I would anyhow be putting it second. I'm just asking you for the sake of it.
And I was asking you if we can do that. Yes, we should put that second.
But what is your opinion on that song now? After hearing a proper song, more or less similar lines that he just got lucky.
He just got
and here she realizes she's just into him still. What is your opinion on that song now after
The
hearing
number
a song
of
like
times
this?
it was repeated, I just got lucky, I just got lucky, I just got lucky. By the end of it, you say, I just got bored. I'm done with it. That's how I feel about that song. There is hardly any comparison for me. There is hardly any comparison between this song and that song. I don't get the logic of pairing them both together. It's probably a personal favorite of our patron. That's the only thing that can explain it. But for me, they are both an odd combination.
Yeah, and musically and vocally also it was far, far superior to what that song was had. Far superior. Her voice, it just is so personal,
Yeah.
so relatable. It's a breath of fresh air. In rock music, voices like hers are a breath of fresh air because almost everyone out there follows a formula.
Yeah.
So they sound so similar. They either want to sound a bit like Metallica,
This way or that way.
they want to sound a bit like Bon Jovi if they are in that genre. They want to sound more like Springsteen or Joel. They all have a formula in mind depending on their voice to begin with. But here it's so refreshing to have a voice like hers, which is unique, but definitely musically the arrangement reminded me a lot of Avril Lavigne for some reason. I'm sure some others who've heard a lot of music like I have will find a similarity, maybe not. Most people who watch our reaction videos don't seem to know much about music in general.
Most.
So yeah, so they may not have a clue what I'm talking about. Anyway, that's it for this one. Goodbye. Just Got Lucky coming after this.
After this.
Unfortunately, it wasn't lucky enough.
Didn't get that lucky.
Not lucky enough to be first in this reaction video.
Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Inoma and welcome to our reaction to Joe Boxers, and the song that we are going to react to is Just Got Lucky. This is our first time single day Connors reaction, never heard this song before, ever before, and that is how we give our reactions to the music that we have not heard before. We are going to listen to it for the first time on this camera along with all of you guys who are joining us for this reaction. Initially, I remember when we just started our reactions, a lot of people would have a little bit problem with the accent. Now we don't get any comments like that where people are talking about they have to understand our accent.
Maybe it's the same people who come every day to watch our videos. Maybe that's the main reason. Because they've got
We
used to
never,
it.
yeah.
That is also a bad thing. I see
That's
it
a
as
bad thing, yeah, right.
That no new
No
people
new
come.
people coming. Or
Or maybe there are people from our part of the world who have started coming. So
either
they
one.
understand us very well.
Accent is a very common thing but very unique as well. It's like someone who's used to speaking some other language and suddenly has to adapt himself or herself to speak something else, and mostly it happens in the case of English because English is widely spoken language and it is a common language for most people to interact. Just to get a common ground, people speak English, and almost everybody who has been speaking English for a very long time, they expect the accent to be neutral, they expect their accent to be completely normal, which is not a reasonable demand because that person has been speaking another language all his life, and it is obvious when they pick up another language, that language, the way the tongue used to twist, the way the tongue used to work inside their mouth is going to be the same way. It's just that they have chosen something else to put on their tongue. The tongue is not used to for 20-30 years. So that's how accents go. I had a awful time when I was in my junior college. In India, it is either junior college, the grade 11 or 12th, or inter college people call. I'm not sure what it is termed as in different countries. When I just I came into my junior college, we had mathematics, and the teacher of mathematics was from Kerala. And Keralite people can have very strong accent when they speak English because their language is got heavy accent. And I'm supposed to learn mathematics from a teacher whose even single word I cannot understand at all. I had 2 years trouble understanding him. By the end of 2 years, last couple of months, I had started getting what he was trying to tell, but then we were done with it. And I literally had to do my studies on my own of mathematics because I couldn't understand a word my teacher was teaching.
Yeah.
That's how.
Whether you understand us or not, I don't know. But The fact that Kirti has listened to songs from different parts of the world and always understood the accent of the singers
I
is
tried.
a remarkable quality. You should have been awarded a prize for the work that you do. For me, it's a different thing because from birth I've been watching movies from all over the world, listening to music from all over the world. So it's different in my family. But for you to do what you do with me, sitting here with me, I don't think anyone else on YouTube or any other platform can do with such discipline and such remarkable ease. Let's get started with Just Got Lucky. Incidentally, lucky is such a major keyword. There's Logan Lucky, there's Just Lucky, Just My Luck, Lucky Day, Lucky This, Lucky That, Lucky, Lucky, Lucky. There's so many movies, so many songs which have the word lucky in them. And incidentally, it's also a very popular name in one community. They like to keep the name Lucky Colony, Lucky Complex, Lucky Society, Lucky Condos, Lucky Villas, Lucky Resort, Lucky Retreat House, Lucky Hotel.
Just Got Lucky is also a movie name, right? Of Drew Barrymore and the casino movie where they play
That's-
poker cards.
Is it Just My Luck or Just Got Lucky?
No, that is Just My Luck. Sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Let's get started with Just Got Lucky. I don't think we've ever heard this song before.
Just got lucky. I'm not sure, but the lyrics of the song also mention, now I'm such a very lucky girl. So is it a cover or what by Joe Boxers?
No idea, but it was quite boring.
You didn't like the rock and roll?
No, I didn't like it. Did you? With all the good music you've heard in the last 2 years, you like this?
Honestly, I somewhat enjoyed it. Somewhat. It is light-hearted, nothing much in it. Really nothing much in it. And went on and on and on.
And what about the lyrics? You love that
Just
too?
got lucky.
It was repeated so many times. How many times
The
he's been
same
fooled,
line, the same
bored,
line.
and then now he's finally got lucky and found someone better.
Yeah, finally he found someone better.
You
Thank
love
God.
the lyrics too?
No. I don't
With
know.
all the music we hear, sometimes I get surprised that you like songs like these.
I don't like it. I really don't like it. I didn't get lucky by listening to it. Trust me. I must feel lucky once I listen to a song, and I don't feel that. When I'm saying I'm just being nice, that anything that I enjoyed, it was a little bit entertaining. More than that, this is not a standard song which we both like so much.
I didn't like anything about it. It was kind of annoying. It was boring by the end of it. With the Jess got lucky,
It
Jess
got
got lucky
very, very
outro.
boring.
Jess got lucky. 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 Jess got lucky.
I think that it's a a Korean movie, Lucky. Lu and then Key. Lucky. It's a great movie. That might make you feel good. I happen to watch it online on YouTube. There are many Korean movies, South Korean movies that are very interesting, romantic, something light and nice. This movie titled Lucky on YouTube is a nice one to watch. Your time won't be wasted like this one.
Yeah.